Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be a little bit different scenery than normal videos here on the channel. As you can tell, we're starting off today's video in a wheat field. And yes, that is correct. We are baling some straw today. I figured I'd come over here and help my grandparents out. Just because they need all the help they can get. It's just them two, and they love all the help they can get. Even though they got an accumulator and a skid steer with a grapple on it, it still makes it a lot easier with more people. So they're on their way over right now with the tractor and the baler and the accumulator. They already got a couple wagons here and the skid steer. I decided to hook my gooseneck up just in case they needed it. Never know. Always could use another trailer, you know. So figured I'd bring it along just in case. But yeah, we got guys over there right now. Maybe if it'll focus. There's a baler right over there right now baling. And then there's a guy right over there loading. I'm not sure who they are, but I'm sure I'd know who they are once I went and talked to them. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting on my grandparents. Figured they'd be here by now, but they ain't. So I figured I can start the video off. So before we get into today's video, I need to read a Bible verse over you guys. And today's going to be coming out of Galatians chapter 6, verses 6 through 10. And it says, The one who is taught the message must share his goods with the teacher. Don't be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever a man sows, he will also reap, because the one who sows to his flesh will reap corruption from the flesh, but the one who sows the Spirit will reap eternal life from the Spirit. So we must not get tired of doing good, for we will reap at the proper time if we don't give up. Therefore, as we have the opportunity, we must work for the good of all, especially for those who belong to the household of faith. I believe that Bible verse to be 100% correct. And you really study on those Bible verses because doing good actually makes you feel good and like tells others that you're a good person, and they'll spread good things about you and not hate and stuff like that. So just study those Bible verses because those are some good Bible verses there. But yeah, today we're going to be baling some straw. I don't know what I'm probably going to get some drone footage for you guys because Grandpa might make me run the skid steer. But Grandma will probably be on the baler. They'll probably take turns. But yeah, I'm not sure how many bales they're wanting. They buy and sell hay and straw and whatnot. So not sure how many bales they're getting or are wanting to get. So I figured, yeah, might as well hook my gooseneck since I'm coming over here. And I don't need to use it for a few days because I ain't found no tractors to buy, nor do I need to buy no tractors. So figure I'd bring it if they want to fill it. They can fill it. They got enough barn space to back it in so it's inside. But they should be coming here soon. Not sure. It's about a 30-minute drive over here in a vehicle, so probably an hour drive on their tractor and then the main road. I was hoping I'd get behind them so I could follow them. So because this main road is known for lots of crashes and just not good things. Been a lot of people killed on that road. So I was hoping to follow them because I got all the blinky lights, but it's whatever. They do this every year, so they know what they're doing. But here's this skid loader here. It's a John Deere 323D. And it's got a grapple on it. So that's that. So I guess I'll pick you guys up when he gets here and probably roll some drone footage. Well, as you guys seen in the drone footage, my grandparents finally made it and are kicking at her, getting some baling done. I've loaded some bales on my gooseneck. They have decided they wanted to use it, so I said, let's throw them on there. So I threw a few on there, like 150, 170, something like that. And then I said, Grandpa, get in the skid steer. I gotta do some droning. So got some drone footage for you guys of them harvesting over there, dumping in the grain cart, and then of my grandma baling. And I was gonna get some footage of my grandpa loading, but he kept getting in and out, so I didn't get any of that. But right now I'm just walking up to my truck because my drone battery died, so all my batteries are in my truck. And then I'll probably load some by hand on my gooseneck, just since he's loading on a hay wagon and there's lots of rain. It should miss us, but just in case, we won't get as much as possible on the wagons. Just in case we gotta head for home quick. So I'm gonna put my boots on because I got my dudes on, and then I'm gonna load some. I might get some more drone footage for you guys. If not, I might get some more just phone footage for you, because I know you guys would love that as well. So try to get some more footage for you anyways. And yeah, it's pretty, not something you see every day here on this channel. Definitely not harvesting videos, but I figured, shoot, since they're harvesting right next to us, it's the same family that farms both fields, but they did this one yesterday. So since they're harvesting right next to us, I figured, can't miss the opportunity to get you guys some harvesting footage. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying it, and I'll try to get some more drone footage for you and some more loading of the straw and go from there. So I'll pick you out, or see y'all in a few if it ain't drone footage. Dang straw stubble. It made my camera focus on it and not me, but just threw a group of 10 on my trailer. I miss the good old days when we used to load hay and straw by hand. Those were the good old days. That's how I was raised, doing everything by hand. No fanciness like what my grandparents have. So I got a few more groups I want to pick up while my grandpa loads the wagon. So I might just throw you guys on the regular, just the camera mode, if it won't focus on a dang piece of wheat stubble. And I apologize for the wind noise. I don't have my microphones, I don't think. I think they're at home, so can't do anything about the wind noise. So sorry about that. Hopefully the rest of the footage is good enough for you guys. Oh, I do have my mic. Doggone it. Well, next few clips I'll have my mic on, so I'll get this group of 10 thrown on there and maybe one more group of 10, and then I'll see what my grandpa's doing. Just because that grapple does make it a lot quicker, but you gotta teach your kids hard work, and that's how I was raised, just to work hard and work for what I wanted. And just, yeah, if my grandpa was still here, life would be a lot different. And I really wish he was still here. I only have a few memories with him because I was 3 when he passed away, but I don't know. Life would definitely be different if he was still here. And that's who I strive to impress every single day, is my grandpa. I know I'll see him one of these days, but for now, I'm gonna work my hardest to make him happy. And then, yeah. So I'll set you guys back down on my Pepsi bottle, since I forgot my tripod at home, and get these 10 bales loaded. I know it's focusing on this wheat stubble, so I'll do my best here to try to get it out of the camera lens for you guys, maybe. Working with what I got to try to get you guys some footage. Hopefully that's better. I'm gonna load these bales here real quick. Grandpa's making them heavy. Okay, maybe not too heavy, like 50 pounders. Definitely out of shape, I can tell you that much. I'm sure that camera is not even pointing at me, but I guess I'll find out in a minute when I'm done. On to the next bundle. At the next bundle now, but Grandma's coming, so let's get some footage of her. Thing's a beaut, Clark. Thing's a beaut. Super, super blessed. Hard work does right there. Pays off big. Look at that cloud. Feels good out here though, but I'm sure you guys are hating the wind noise. Grandma don't like the camera, but she likes to take pictures of me, so I'm gonna take videos of her. Yummy straw. There it goes. Lets out a group of 10 every time. Unless the bales are all cattywampus. Then it hates you. And there she goes. Back to work we go. Bam. Alrighty, get this 10 on there. And then might roll some more drone footage for you guys. Day one was a success, ladies and gentlemen. So I got my grandma right in front of me and my grandpa's right in front of her. You'll see here in just a minute once there's an opening for grandpa to go. We're on the main road and it is busy. Busy, busy, busy. But it was a very successful day. We got 941 bales today. So there goes grandpa. He's got he's got 200 on the wagon and then 28 on the Zuzu. Grandma's got 199 on her. And then I got 336. And grandpa already took one wagon. So very successful day. 941 bales in one day. So I would say that is a success. Tomorrow we hope to do the same, if not more. So yeah, I think grandpa normally buys like 2,000 to 2,500 bales, so good to help him out, good to get a different scenery going on, because I like doing something different every day, as you guys have seen on the channel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. The harvesting content, wasn't expecting to get that, but I'm glad I was able to for you guys, because that is something you won't see much on this channel, as we do not do corn or soybeans or wheat or anything, just hay. So super blessed to be able to get that footage for you guys, and then get footage of doing this straw. And I guess I'll probably wake up bright and early. I'm gonna go back and steal grandpa's little trailer so I can haul my skid steer over to his house. He has another skid steer, but it ain't big enough for the grapple. So I'm gonna go back over to the field, rob his little trailer, and bring my skid loader over to his house in the morning, about 6 a.m. hopefully, and get to unloading my trailer. They got plenty of wagons to fill for another 1,000 bales. So just my trailer holds a lot and I can go a lot faster. So it's the only reason I want to get this unloaded for them and go from there. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end off today's video here, just because it can be a long one and I really don't want to have another 2-hour long video. So I'd rather do this 2 parts for you guys. Hopefully everything goes smooth tomorrow and I can get part 2 out and go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because you never know when I'm gonna post, changing daily. So might as well subscribe, it's free. And yeah, if you guys need parts for your tractor or want some Bowman's Tractor salvage merch, head on over to my eBay store. It'll be in the description below, and you can pick you up some stuff, and parts ship same day most of the time, if not the next day. So yeah, and I try to be fair on all my parts. If you don't think it's fair, shoot me an offer on it. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I sure did, and can't wait for tomorrow. So thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.